And gum disease is a very sort of interesting field in that our teeth are anchored into the jawbone, but they function in the mouth. And the anchorage in the jawbone has to remain sterile. But the functionality of the teeth in the mouth is by definition non-sterile and teeming with bacteria. So the way the body deals with that is it creates a special defense mechanism around each tooth. Around the neck of the tooth, there's special cells which are very powerful immunomodulatory cells to prevent disease from penetrating in. But what happens is, if that is left unchecked, or that people don't brush their teeth properly, or that they don't undergo regular cleanings, or that system is overstimulated, it'll be like a computer where you have too many items open and it sort of freezes. The immunomodulatory system, which is designed to protect the inner aspect or the anchorage of the jawbone, is actually becomes dysfunctional and because it's damage to the jawbone. So the actual driver behind gum disease or periodontal disease is when our own immune system becomes part of the problem and actually causes that bone destruction. And when that bone destruction takes place, what happens is it separates away from the teeth. And then a space forms between the bone and the tooth. And into that space, the bacteria can migrate, and it's a very fertile area for bacteria to populate, and it favors the more harmful bacteria. So we're left with a situation which is cyclical in a sense. The inflammation is causing the destruction. Bacteria are following that and causing additional infection. And then the cycle begins to repeat and repeat and repeat until eventually you suffer large abscesses, lose teeth, and tooth loss. So
and major problems.
So we have a issue of infection, we have an issue of inflammation, and it's a cycle that is hard to stop. So what we have to do is we have to reduce the bacterial population so that it can be a normal flora or a normal pattern of bacteria. And we have to reduce the inflammatory destruction and reset the inflammation there so that it functions and protects normally.